Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. In the video yesterday, I warned you to expect some long weekend shenanigans in the market. With the 4th of July holiday and ETF desk closed on Friday, that left the market vulnerable to games, and we got exactly that. It began with not one, but 3 yellow X manipulation warnings. The first appeared at the yellow horizontal line at 109.3K, triggering a sharp rejection. A second yellow X appeared right at the dotted horizontal line at 108.9K. The bears tried again, but this time bulls fought back, defending the level with real intent. Then came the third and strongest yellow X. It drove price cleanly below 108.9K, breaking structure and dragging the market down into the next support zones. Once the price hit 108.5K, the bounce started. Buyers stepped in hard, pushing it back above the dotted yellow line at 108.9K. But this was not just any bounce. This move coincided with one of the most surprising whale activations we have seen in years. At exactly 8:59 Eastern Time, a dormant Bitcoin wallet holding over 10,000 BTC, worth roughly $1 billion, moved its entire balance. It was the first time this wallet had been active since 2011. This sparked global interest. The total volume moved during that window hit $8.6 billion. Importantly, the funds were not sent to exchanges. This suggests it may have been internal reshuffling, a custodial reorganization, or perhaps even an OTC deal. Some speculators believe it could be Roger Ver, the original Bitcoiner who later launched his own chain, Bcash. But for now, it's all speculation. After the second yellow X, I had already placed a conditional limit order to close my remaining long trades in profit. I recognized the power behind these manipulation attempts, and the next key levels were far lower, around 108.3K and 107.6K, giving me plenty of room to re-enter if needed. That decision played out perfectly. My positions closed in profit, and the dump continued down to 107.6K, with a local low at 107.5K. As we bounced from that level, I decided to re-enter long at around 107.8K to 108K. Checking the 3-day liquidation heat map, we can see a strong liquidity target building around 107K. This level was not taken during the initial dump, and it remains one of the hottest long liquidation zones on the chart. If weekend volume stays thin, it's possible we sweep that level before any upside resumes. Now we'll see how the rest of this weekend unfolds. The market is clearly reacting to low volume conditions and whale-driven moves. If ETF flows return on Monday with strength, this pullback might just be a setup for another leg up. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated, and see you in the next one.